Hello, welcome to CompXM Capstone 2023. This video gives the lies and tips for to win CompXM 2023. CompXM is an exam different from student to student. The form may be the same, but the numbers are different, so you need to look at them in details, right? This video gives explanation for round 2. You can search around to find round 1 and 3 and 4 in the same channels, right? And this is round 2. In round 1 we have added 4 new products, and round 2 we just update the 4 products as you see on the screen, and also we update marketing for price and promotion and sales. We reduce the price by 50 cents each round to maintain product competitiveness, and also we update the budget and budget for promotion and sales, about 1,000 for new product and 1,400 for the old product, right? We have 8 products, and then we can double the sales and profit from round 3 and round 4 with very high result. But we need to invest first in round 1 and round 2. In marketing, we also need to calculate the sales focus. So we check the career report to find out the number of units we sold from last round, and then you see on the screen we have top sales and also top profit in round 1, and also we check the unit we sold from last round and inventory from last round in the career report, and then we can use the free Excel file you downloaded and you download under this video to calculate the sales focus faster, right? Remember to take note of the growth rate of each segment for each round may be different. And also we use the free Excel file you download under this video with the link under this video to calculate the sales focus based on the number of units we sold from last round, and then we can calculate and input into screen as you are seeing on the screen, right? You can email for detailed support or order one arrange 1 hour through Zoom guideline and tip to understand the CompXM, and then you can win the game in 1 or 2 hours, right? With explanation for all the details. Now you can look at the screen of production, right? For production from round 2, we need to update production schedule. Again, you can use a free Excel file download from this under this video to calculate the sales focus and calculate the production, and also calculate the R&D for all the 8 rounds. And you need to update capacity for each round, and also we need to update automation to 8, 6 and 5 and 5 for 4 product segment, trip and 8, core to 6, and nano and elite to 5 in round 2 to save the cost and also to increase product quality. We have 2 products and new product started production from round 2, so we can increase the sales and profit. We win double sales and profit in round 3 and round 4 to win the top results. And for human resource management, we just use 5,080 hours for training. And for round 2, it is the most optimal to use all the 3 sources of fund, again to avoid any shortage of cash to operate the company. And from round 3 and round 4, we can pay dividend and retire the stock and pay back the loans. You see, for the TQM, we again use 1,000 for all the 10 TQM initiatives, right? For all the 10 the TQM initiatives. And now we check the performance result. We get very high sales and 37 of contribution margin, and also good net profit even in round 1 and round 2. From round 3 and 4 we get top sale and profit, also top stock price. For the quiz, you can do that on your own. Some reference question on the screen you can see, right? Yeah, you can get the top sales and profit. Also top sale and profit, and from round 2 you see result on the screen. If you need support, you send the email or check the blog for more details. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.